It's a mess in here, isn't it? That's what you get for a new year. Should we go for some projects I made last year? Yeah? Why not? Yeah, so last year was a busy one, but not for crafting reasons. We had the arrival of our daughter it was the beginning of the year. Changed in job towards the end of the year. Yeah, lots of things that I don't say mucked up crafting, but didn't make crafting easy. Yeah, that's probably the best way of putting it. So yeah, let's go through some of the projects that I did manage to actually make. So we'll start from oldest to newest. I have no idea when a lot of this stuff was made. So beginning of last year, we made some, well, I made a template for this wallet. I've got an older version. It is, that moved the camera slightly. That's slightly terrifying. It's this one. This one was made the year before, so that doesn't count for this video. But I've 3D printed a template for this wallet because it works quite nicely and I quite like the wallet. The template I think is in my folio of templates now, but I can cut this one out and make it several times, and it's a nice quick make. It's little 3 pieces of leather, cash strap, card strap kind of thing. I do the card strap in a different colour and blue stitching because it complements it quite nicely, and a little card slot pusher at the back. Yeah, not much to say about this one, but quick and easy project to kick off the year, and the template's pretty good. Yeah, I can share the template if you want it below in the comments. I'm not sure which around this video is going. But yeah, I can put that on the website or something maybe. See how it goes. Anyway, next. The NATO watch strap. I think I made this, I don't think it was that long after my daughter was born. Was it just before? No, it was just after, I think. The full video is on the channel. I'll link it below. This is the first use of the 3D printed stamp, which I can never get in focus, especially when the light is terrible like this. That was V1 of the stamp. There's subsequently been a V2 and some larger versions as well. This came out really nice. I wear this quite often. You can probably see where the watch has been on it. I've just switched the watch back to its original metal bracelet, but it's really nice. I'm probably going to go do a couple more watch straps this year potentially, because they're quite nice, quite fiddly, which is quite technically fun. Yeah, so NATO watch strap. Let's get some quick and easy ones out of the way. Skin so it's like a single piece of leather. So this is the rear, what do you call it? Back glass to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Had one of those for quite a while before we got into all the rest of the fun phone stuff. I've had a couple of these in the time of having it because occasionally the double-sided tape's not great, it peels off, but it sticks on the back of the phone, looks nice, gives you a bit of extra grip. This is kind of the predecessor to where I went towards the end of the year with the phone cases, which I will get to. Yeah, a little bit of a stamp on the bottom. I don't know if you see it didn't go in too well on that. Yeah, these are quick and easy, and yeah, you can make one of these literally in 10 minutes. There's this one to start. You may have seen this one on Instagram. Don't know why I said it like that. This is the first version. There's a second version, which is, I would argue, better than this one for a couple of reasons, but we'll go through it first. So, nice textured, actually focus, textured leather. Nice logo in the bottom. I'm going to have to flip this so it's the right way around. Popper in the middle. You're probably seeing the issue here. But inside, a couple of pockets. Simple. Nice little wallet. The issue is, obviously, if you do that popper, it then stops there and it won't close anymore. So, nice wallet. I've done this before. I should have remembered, but I didn't. So, slightly irritating, but learned from the leather. Really nice, fun to work with. Really feels like premium, nice. A couple of other issues with this was getting cards out of the card slots, which I remedied in the next version, which we'll look at now. So this is the next version after that. So you can see the clasp moved to the outside. This took some inspiration from an Hermes wallet, if you know, you know, but it's very different at the same time. So popper moved to the outside. So you've now got this, which means it can close up a lot tighter and be slimmer in the pocket. Nice. Actual size and shape, if I bring the old one back in, size and shape, they are practically identical. I do like how clean this one is on the outside. If I could find some thinner, more low profile kind of clasp device, I think I'd go back to this, make some modifications, because it's clean and crisp. But this is actually my day-to-day wallet currently. So we open it up, there's stuff in it. And here you'll see the differences between the old and the new version. And the old one back in, obviously these are here, so you can't have quick slide pockets. And these pockets have been brought down a little bit, so you can easily pull things out and slide things in. And yeah, I've been using this for 2 or 3 months now, I want to say. And yeah, it's a really good wallet. I really like it. Hence why I'm using it day to day, because I've got plenty of a choice. Right, let's do the elephant in the room. Phone cases. Specifically, these ones are Titan 2 cases. This is the original prototype. It's rough as bricks. There's a saying, isn't there? I can't remember what it is, but it's rough. The edges are like completely mullered, and like this was the original first prototype. Yeah. And then you had this, which was my daily case for the Titan 2. I used past temps because I didn't really get on with the Titan 2, unfortunately, as much as I wanted to. Right, where was I before the battery rudely died? Yeah, didn't get on with the Titan 2, so it's currently on eBay. As of when this video was recorded, it's probably gone by now. But this did teach me a lot, so the actual case making and things, quite interesting. You can see this one started patinaing really nicely, and then I decided to sell the phone because I didn't get on with it. Too many hardware bugs and yeah. Anyway, but I have continued to make phone cases, which moves me on to this, which probably should take the phone out, but this is my Pixel 10 Pro, which has replaced the Galaxy Fold and the Titan 2. You can probably already see a spoiler in the embossing. This is that same crocodile leather as the skin for the back of the Fold. Yeah, I've continued making cases. A case. I don't think I'm going to do it as a commercial thing. It's a faff, I want to say. It's a little bit difficult. You can probably see my shadow, my hands just like waving around like a lunatic. If I take the phone out of this, because you're not interested in the phone, we're here for the leather, obviously. yeah, this came out really nicely. So wet molded this off of 3D print. 3D print there. So that works really well. I would recommend that if people are interested in trying it. Find a 3D model of your phone, download it, wrap leather around it. Follow the same process as the Titan video. Did the exact same with this. It's come out a treat. A couple of modifications on this one. So obviously, yeah, buttons. But spoiler. So the bottom, instead of the Titan where it was thick enough to cut the ports out, I've just cut like the bottom out of it. Actually does help a lot with putting the phone in. Obviously got the stamp in there. Put the stamp in a different way this time as well, because for Christmas I got an arbor press, so I can now press things. Woohoo! But yeah, that cutout makes it easier to slip on and out. Yeah. And obviously the spoiler you just saw, this case has got Pixel Snap / MagSafe. These are some cheap ones that I bought off AliExpress, Temu, one of the two. It's just on the back of a tin, but the case, like, quite firmly, if I had more room I'd show you, but quite firmly attaches and snaps off. So that's really cool. So it continues to use that, and the wireless charging works through the case as well. Yeah, so phone cases carrying on, but in a more limited fashion. Put that back on the phone. This was a Christmas present for my wife. I managed to make it in secret. Technically a smaller version of the bag that is also on the channel as one of my first videos, the bag that I made her. It's same leather, same kind of ratios and size. This one's obviously got a different stamp in it, but yeah, it's a nice little kind of purse kind of thing. It's a triple layer, so you pop it open and it accordions out. Really need to sort. I need to get my large tripod back, which currently has a baby monitor attached to the top of it. But yeah, so you got 3 kind of accordion pockets. It all pulls out, and so it can expand and contract as much as you kind of want it. This is really quite nice. It's quite pretty. Same leather, same stitching as her bag, so it kind of matches. It's a matching set. It's just like a little kind of going out sized everyday purse. Wallet. You could probably use it as a man as well. It's quite a nice, that's getting really close to the lens, but yeah, it's really quite nice. It's quite pretty. It smells amazing. Always got to sniff the leather on this channel. Apart from a couple of random 3D printed things, you've seen the phones. Obviously got a Titan version of that as well. You got the stamps. You got slightly bigger stamps. Camera mounts that I've 3D printed. This is designed by myself. Just like, in the scheme of things, that's all kind of vaguely not in frame. In the scheme of things, that is kind of, oh, and that is what we built last year. That one as well. And technically that one. So yeah, not a huge amount, but it was a lot. It was a very busy year elsewhere. But hopefully this year we'll build a bit more. There we go. That's 2025 recap in a nutshell. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. We've got plenty planned for this year, and hopefully we'll get a bit more time. We'll wait and see.